That'll give you confidence. It does. That's why the
Down.
It has to walk like 7 O's there.
what car you have. And you can estimate your monthly payment on CarMax.com. Wait, what? So CarMax doesn't hide that stuff? Nope, not a thing. That's great for cars. Yes, not great for ventriloquism. Well, that's your opinion. No, that's everyone's opinion.
This Wednesday, Pixar outdoes itself.
Wow.